So the reason you guys clicked on this video is not to hear me talk, but it's to find out 3 ways that you can get paid as a homeowner and owning a home. Number 1, the easiest one on the board and the easiest one so far is renting out an extra spare bedroom or renting out your garage, making your garage look super nice and renting that out, or maybe renting out the basement if you're not using it. Renting out one of these rooms is a great way to receive some passive income. Number 2 is by far my favorite. If you've lived in your home for a couple of years, you have built that equity in your home, and how to access that equity is you could use a HELOC, what is called a HELOC. You could use this HELOC to tap into your equity to improve your home, to maybe get that new kitchen or get that new living room or redo your backyard. But what I personally use and what I tell all my investors and all my buyers and everyone who hasn't tapped into their equity is actually use your equity, get that HELOC, and enroll it into another investment property to then make some passive income and get a little extra cash in your pocket. Once you get that HELOC and invest that equity into another investment property, then that property gains equity. Then from that equity, you could use your same HELOC and invest into another one, or do a 1031 exchange and get a better and bigger home and a better and bigger investment. You've heard it all over. Investing in real estate is the biggest asset you can invest in. Everybody has a home. Everybody needs a home. Investing in real estate is how you build this wealth and build your wealth. So why wouldn't you tap into the equity that's already sitting there to then make some more money? Make your money work for you. Number 3 is favored towards people who are maybe newer to buying a home or interested in buying multifamily homes. There's a thing out there called house hacking. You have a multi-unit property, you live in one of the units, and you rent out the rest of the units to renters. And these renters can help you pay off your mortgage, and it's easy. And these other renters can effectively pay off your own mortgage and essentially live for free. I hope you guys found this video super helpful, and it opened your perspective and it opened your mind to possible ideas and possible options to roll some of your money, some of your equity into investment properties, or renting out some extra rooms to make some passive income, or maybe even looking into house hacking. So if you have any questions or you want to find out more, you could always email me at marcus@sbreal.com. But what actually I'm going to do and what my team is doing is we're opening up our busy schedules to invite 3 new people each week to sit down one-on-one, face-to-face, to figure out what is the best option and how to get paid while owning a home, and actually seeing which option is best for you and walking with you step by step on how to figure out how to make some passive income and how to get some extra cash in your pocket. So if you're interested in potentially sitting down with me and my team face-to-face and talking about these options, there's going to be a link in the description, or you could email me at marcus@sbreal.com and send me over your information to potentially sit down face-to-face and have a conversation. We'll actually lead you and guide you to have actionable steps that you could take to achieve your goals and to achieve the things that we covered in this video. So send me an email, click the link in the description. There's only going to be 3 spots. It's going to go by super quick, so the early bird gets the worm. Hurry up and click the link in the description, send my team over an email, and we'll get back to you with all the details as soon as humanly possible. Thank you for sitting down and spending some time with me. Enjoy the rest of your day.